Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we will work together to fill out the main idea in details graphic organizer all about Pocahontas and this text. So I am going to reread this text one more time. While I'm reading, be thinking about the main idea of the text and important details from the nonfiction text. So remember, Pocahontas is Powhatan's child. Powhatan had a bright young daughter. He called her Pocahontas, a nickname that means mischievous, which means playful. She was about 11 years old when the settlers arrived. She was curious about the newcomers. Pocahontas helped the settlers. These are the people, the Englishmen, that went across the ocean in those big ships. So Pocahontas helped the settlers. She went with her father's people to visit Jamestown. She gave the settlers food so they would not starve at times when there was very little to eat. In the coming years, Pocahontas played a big part in the lives of the settlers and the Indians. So here is Pocahontas. Now I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. What was the main idea of that text? What exactly is the text teaching you about? So what exactly would be the main idea? The main idea would be Pocahontas, because the book, the text, is teaching us about Pocahontas. So I will give you a few seconds. I want you to share out loud one detail from the story that you remember. What was one detail from the text? So I remember from the text that Pocahontas was Powhatan's daughter. So under details, I'm going to write Powhatan's daughter. I'm still starting with a capital letter and ending with a period. Now out loud, I want you to share another detail from the text. Think about, what did her name Pocahontas mean? What does her name Pocahontas mean? Pocahontas means playful one. So I'm going to write Pocahontas means play full, playful one. Pocahontas means playful one. What else was important in the text? What else did the text share with us about Pocahontas? Another detail. Yep, Pocahontas helped the settlers. You might be thinking of a different one, and that is okay. It does not have to be in the same order, and you might have different details that you remember. So Pocahontas helped the settlers. And remember, the settlers were the people that sailed across the ocean and landed in Jamestown. Our last detail that I remember from the story was that, remember, Pocahontas was only 11 years old when the settlers arrived. So that's what I'm going to share. She was 11 years old when the settlers arrived. Arrived where? Arrived in Jamestown. So now we know the main idea is Pocahontas. We have many different details all about Pocahontas. Now I want you guys to tell me what would the topic be of our text. It's very similar to the main idea, but just put the main idea into a sentence. So what is our topic? All about Pocahontas. You don't have to write all about Pocahontas. Maybe you want to write facts about Pocahontas or Pocahontas's life. Any of those work. So great job, guys, following along with me, filling out the main idea and details graphic organizer. Now for your optional activity today, I want you guys to create a Flipgrid and share with us one fact that you learned about Pocahontas. It can be one from the text, from our main idea and details chart, or from the story we heard in the beginning. I look forward to seeing all your videos. Bye, guys.